Skeptics used to believe that it's impossible to electrify semi-trucks. That's because of inherent engineering problems surrounding its weight and battery challenges. But believe it or not, major car brands have made some headway. In fact, you might have seen an electric semi on the road and didn't even know it. Today we're looking at electric semi-trucks that are already on the road and upcoming ones too. We'll also see why Tesla is notorious for postponing the release of its electric semi and whether it'll finally deliver true to its word this December. This past October 13, 2022, French carmaker Renault posted a 30-second ad mocking the Tesla electric semi-truck. The ad opens with a man putting up a poster as opera music plays in the background. The man steps back. The poster is an advertisement for the Tesla semi-truck and it reads, "Fully electric semi, the future of trucking." As the man gets into his truck, bolded words appear on the screen that say, "There are those that make grand announcements and those that are already making kilometers." And you see that the man and his co-worker are actually driving away in an electric Renault truck. And then you see the words 100% electric. Renault Trucks E-Tech. Over 300 electric vehicles are already on our roads. Well, one thing's for sure, Renault isn't subtle. While the ad may have been lighthearted and funny, the message is clear. Renault beat Tesla in being the first to release a large, fully electric semi-truck with the Renault Trucks E-Tech Master, where Tesla's electric semi-truck is still nowhere in sight. So where's Tesla? Tesla originally unveiled its Tesla Semi-Class 8 electric truck back in 2017. At the time, Tesla said that manufacturing would begin in 2019. 2019 came and went without a single Tesla semi-truck getting churned out. Fast forward to 2020. Elon Musk sent an email to Tesla employees informing them that the semi-truck was already in limited production. And then he added that it was time to go all out and bring the Tesla Semi to volume production. Yet just a few months later in April, in an earnings call, Tesla announced that the delivery of the semi-electric truck would be further delayed to 2021. And so 2021 came and went. And yet, in another earnings call, Tesla informed its shareholders that delivery of the Tesla Semi-Class 8 electric truck would be delayed to 2022. If you're wondering why Tesla's had its string of delays, well, as far as the most recent delay is concerned, Tesla claimed it boiled down to the global supply chain shortage that's been affecting the car and high-tech industries. It also blamed the continued delays on limited production capability for the vehicle's battery cells at the time. Well, now 2022 is making its way out and 2023 is just around the corner. Just this past August, Elon Musk revealed a few new interesting details about the Semi-Class 8 electric truck. This time, it was details about its actual release. Musk revealed that the electric semi-truck was no longer just a concept, but currently in early production in Reno, Nevada. Musk even gave a delivery date. First delivery date of a Semi-Class 8 electric will be delivered to Pepsi this December. Let's rewind 5 years, back to 2017. That's when the Tesla Semi-Class 8 electric truck prototype was released. PepsiCo was impressed and placed an order of 100 electric semi-trucks to its fleet. Originally, 15 of the 100 trucks was intended to help turn Pepsi's Frito facility in Modesto, California, into a zero-emission facility. That's due in part to Pepsi's pledge to achieve net zero emissions by 2040. Well, Pepsi didn't get the electric semi-trucks the year it expected. By the way, UPS, Walmart, and Cisco also placed order. But so far, there have been no announcements or updates on any of these deliveries. Anyway, according to Elon Musk, Tesla needs around another year to really ramp up production of the semi-truck. But that doesn't mean the production will be slow. Apparently, in North America, around 50,000 units will be produced each year in 2024. If Tesla achieves its goal, this will make Tesla the second largest manufacturer of Class 8 trucks in the U.S. The first spot goes to Daimler Trucks. Daimler Trucks produced around 100,000 of such trucks in 2019. In 2020, that number went down to 71,000 after COVID-19 lockdowns and supply shortages. Even so, that's still higher than Tesla's intended production of 50,000. So, as far as international markets are concerned, analysts expect Tesla to deliver a modified version of its semi-truck to comply with local requirements. And that's not all. Some experts expect Tesla may even build a completely new EV truck factory in Europe and or Asia. Originally, Tesla intended electric semis to have a range of about 500 miles when carrying cargo. Offering a high range is no small feat, especially when you're a large truck with a gross combination weight of 82,000 pounds when fully loaded. After the initial version was revealed, Tesla announced that it will release a version with a smaller battery pack that offers a range of 300 miles. But as of right now, still no news on the actual battery capacity of the truck. But many expect the battery pack's capacity could end up being below 1,000 kilowatt hours. So if Tesla reaches its target of producing 50,000 semi-trucks a year, that would come out to 50 gigawatt hours of energy needed. If and when this happens, the entire production volume of batteries at the Gigafactory in Nevada will be completely taken over just by the semi-trucks. Musk also revealed that the initial builds don't contain 4680 type cylindrical battery cells. With that being the case, the next logical battery cell option would be the 2170 type cylindrical battery cell. Those are the same cells in most Tesla Model 3 and Model Y versions in production today. Some speculate that the Tesla Semi-Class 8 truck batteries may consume less than 2 kilowatt hours per mile. Its battery capacity is expected to be anywhere between 600 to 1,000 kilowatt hours. When fully loaded, the truck is expected to accelerate from 0 to 60 in 20 seconds. There are rumors that it will have 3 independent motors on the rear axles. And last but not least, analysts expect the semi-truck to charge up to 70% of range in just 30 minutes and end up saving as much as $200,000 over 3 years in fuel savings. These are all speculations, of course. Another unknown is the purchase price of the truck. Elon Musk said it would sell for much more than a passenger vehicle, which is a no-brainer. It's obvious these semi-trucks won't be cheap. Some estimate a starting price of $150,000 per semi-truck. Actually, the electric semi-truck industry is gaining ground. One driving factor is because product and transportation companies end up spending as much as $80,000 on fuel every year for every truck. So you can imagine why so many companies are attracted to the idea of taking the electric route. The goal of electrifying the trucking industry is to slash freight transport emissions significantly, as well as overall transportation costs. Actually, you might have seen an electric semi on the road and you didn't even know it. Take Freightliner trucks, for example. Actually, it's a division under the Daimler Trucks North America brand. Freightliner has 2 main electric trucks, the EM2 and the E-Cascadia. The EM2 is basically an electric version of Freightliner's classic box truck. The E-Cascadia is a standard rig that can carry a 53-foot trailer. It's built in Portland, Oregon, and it's designed for regional distribution rather than long hauling. This year, E-Cascadia trucks had a combined total of 1 million miles on the road. In fact, Walmart is already starting a trial run with the E-Cascadia in California. Both the EM2 and the E-Cascadia can travel up to 230 miles before they need to be recharged. Volvo also has its electric semi-truck called the VNR Electric. While it may be similar to Freightliner's E-Cascadia, it still has its own signature Volvo look. A key difference between the two is its range. While the E-Cascadia has a driving range of up to 230 miles, the VNR's is 275 miles. Then there's one of Tesla's main competitors, BYD. Tesla sells more fully electric cars and SUVs than BYD, but BYD sells far more plug-in vehicles overall. Right now, Tesla beats BYD in the profits. In fact, Tesla makes 11 times more profit than BYD, but BYD is beating Tesla in timing when it comes to a fully electric semi-truck. It's been producing the 8TT since 2018. Over 100 units have already been delivered to the U.S., its largest customer being Anheuser-Busch. Also, just 3 days after Tesla's latest update on its semi-truck back in October, BYD announced that it had already delivered the first 5 units of its newest electric semi-truck, the Q3MA. The Q3MA has a curb weight of 12 tons, a maximum allowable total fraction mass of 35 tons, and reduces carbon emissions 33,000 tons per year. Then there's a startup called Nikola. It was founded in 2014 and it claims its electric semi-truck can go up to 350 miles on a single charge. Nikola's semi-truck is called TRE. This past September, Nikola said the TRE is the first ever electric-borne modular platform for articulated heavy-duty tractors that has up to 310 miles of battery electric range and a fuel cell electric powertrain that can haul up to 497 miles in its first generation. Expected delivery is this year. Or look at the German startup, Sono Motors. Along with its solar-assisted electric car, it's also been looking into commercial vehicle applications for its solar-powered technology. At a recent transportation show in Hanover, Germany, Sono demonstrated some of the plans. For example, Sono claims that its solar tech could actually improve the efficiency of refrigerated trucks and buses. If you're wondering how it intends to achieve that, well, its plans are to sell a kit to retrofit existing buses with solar panels. The engine and solar panels would in fact work together as a team. Here's what I mean. A diesel engine would still provide propulsion for the truck, and the solar power would power systems like climate control. But not all buses and trucks are compatible with the Sono kit, at least not yet. Right now, Sono's kits are only compatible with the Mercedes-Benz Citaro and MAN Lion City public transit buses. That's because these are the most popular in Europe. Once these buses and trucks get retrofitted with the kits, Sono claims the 1.4 kilowatt top power of its solar panels could save each bus as much as 396 gallons of diesel per year. Sono also claims that all owners should see a return on their investment in 3 to 4 years. It all depends on fuel prices and other related factors. Just adding Sono's solar panels to the roof and sides of a trailer, Sono claims that as much as 50% of the refrigeration unit needs would be covered each year. Its solar panels apparently had 152 miles of range per week. It'll be a long time before electric semis can come close to overtaking classic diesel trucks. It's because these behemoths carry a unique set of technological challenges. First of all, the sticker price of the electric semi isn't cheap. You also need the infrastructure, including electric grids and charging stations. These initial costs are so high that many fleets today are not interested, and there aren't many are willing to be early technological adapters, also known as guinea pigs, for now. Right now, electric semi-trucks are mainly recommended for last mile and short haul deliveries. That's because we don't have the necessary infrastructure, semi-truck charging stations here in the US yet. But Tesla's been working to combat that challenge too. For example, by installing the semi-truck mega charger station at its Modesto facility last year, be it only one. Here's another challenge. Semi-trucks are categorized as Class 8 heavy-duty trucks. The Federal Highway Administration sets its gross vehicle weight limit to a maximum of 80,000 pounds, and that's including the weight of the truck and payload. But remember, payload is where the money is at. The average unladen semi weighs 34,000 pounds as it is. That doesn't leave automakers too much room to work with. So automakers have to be careful that they don't increase the electric semi-truck's weight unnecessarily. Otherwise, payload weight has to go down, and nobody wants that. The battery pack can make or break the weight. If the pack is too small, the range suffers. So it's a delicate balancing act. Tesla claims its semi-truck will have a gross combination weight of 82,000 pounds when fully loaded. If that's the case, it will still have room to spare and achieve the necessary balance. There are benefits to electrifying the semi-truck industry. Of course, there's the massive cut to emissions. Also, releasing more fully electric semi-trucks on the roads has the potential to reduce the cost of operations per mile. In other words, the transportation costs. And if it is achievable, the price of virtually all products that are transported by trucks would be affected too. But now you tell me, do you agree with Renault's ad about Tesla? Please share by commenting below. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for your support.